Welcome to my channel, Red Chakra. If you like this video, be sure to like, share, subscribe. Show support to the channel, grow spiritually, connect with your higher self every single day. So what I'm going to talk about in this video is meditation, bro. Of course, I got this shirt on with this alien meditating. Bro, I don't see myself as a regular human like everybody else. You feel me? I'm not a human, bro. I'm an alien. I'm an extraterrestrial. And I got the heart chakra crystal on. I gotta protect my chakras. I gotta protect my heart. My heart chakra is very important. I gotta protect that. So, and of course, this is self-explanatory. You know, this fabric that I put up, it represents meditation in my higher self. This represents my higher self. This is meditation, bro. Start meditating. Connect with your inner self. Connect with your higher self. Line up your chakras. Excuse me. So, bro, meditation saved my life, bro. It changed my life because I started meditating back in 2018 because 2018 is when I had an official spiritual awakening. 2018, yes, 3 years ago. See, what happened was I had a dark night of the soul, and then, you know, I started to change and I started to look up information. Then I came across meditation and I meditated for the first time, bro. That was 3 years ago, and I felt like I was floating, bro. I felt like I was in the clouds, bro. I still remember it. My first time meditating. It felt crazy. And it changed my life, bro. Meditation is a mindful technique where you can control your mind. So when it comes to your mind is the most powerful weapon. There's so many things in this world that want to take control of your mind. The government, because they give us porn that can literally destroy your mind. They give us porn. They give us television. It's not nothing wrong with watching TV, but the stuff they put on there is out of control. Television, or television, tell live vision, tell a lie to your vision, tell a vision to your vision. You know what I mean? They just try to change up your consciousness with television. They show bullshit on television all the time. So you got television that's trying to control your mind. You got these celebrities that's trying to control your mind. These celebrities ain't nothing, bro. Bro, stop following these celebrities, bro. You are richer than your favorite celebrity. They got all this money, but it's not gonna give them nothing in return. And they don't even got their soul anymore. They sold their soul. They up out of here. You know what I mean? They cannot ascend. They're not gonna make it. They're not gonna transcend to higher realms because they gave their soul to the devil. But you have an opportunity to transcend. So you actually richer than your favorite celebrities spiritually. Celebrities ain't shit. So celebrities is trying to control your mind. Your friends try to control your mind. The people that's lost in the matrix. Like, bro, it's so many things in this world. You got social media. There's so much stuff in this world that's trying to control your mind, bro. You gotta understand that. And what you gotta do is take back control of your mind, bro. Your mind creates your reality, and your mind is in control of your body and soul. You know what I mean? So your mind is literally the driving force, and you have to take control of that. So when it comes to meditation, bro, what you want to do is you want to get in this position right here, right? And it's very important to get in this position because you want to straighten up your back, you know, like this, you know, like that. You know what I mean? It's meditation. Meditation is a mindful technique where you take control of your mind, body, and soul. And you want to get in this position, right? And you want to make sure your spine is straight because you have 7 chakra points. You got 7 chakras, right? The root chakra, the sacral chakra, solar plexus, heart, throat, third eye, and crown chakra. You have 7 chakras. And when you line up your spine and you get straight, you know what I mean? Your Kundalini energy can flow through each of the chakras and line them up and unlock your pineal gland, and it will be able to, and it will also allow you to reach spiritual enlightenment. Well, if you're a black person, we're talking about black people specifically because black people, we are powerful, bro. We black people are extremely powerful. We have melanin. We have the most melanin out of any racial group. Therefore, melanin is a biochemical substance that regulates different parts of the black human's body. And melanin is a product of the universe. It's carbon, you know what I mean? It's carbon 666. The Christianity and all them religions told you 666 was evil, but it's really black people's skin. And it's the formula of melanin, or not the formula, but it is the atomic number of melanin. I can't remember, but it's the number of melanin. You know what I mean? So with us black people, right? We have kundalini energy. The kundalini energy is your life force energy. It's your spiritual energy. It's your life force, bro. And it starts, your kundalini energy starts at the base of your spine. This is the root chakra. Your kundalini energy starts at the root chakra. And when you as a black person begin to meditate and you begin to grow spiritually, your kundalini energy will literally go through each chakra. It will line up the chakra. It will go through each chakra. And when it gets to the center of your brain, which is the pineal gland right here, your third eye, it will push open your third eye. Your kundalini energy will push open your third eye. Your third eye will be able to produce melanin, and melanin is a chemical that can uplift your spirit, uplift your body and soul. Melanin is important. So as your kundalini energy rises to your pineal gland, when you meditate, it will push open your third eye, and it will go up. The rest of the kundalini energy will go up to the crown chakra, which will allow you to have connection to the universe. You know what I mean? This is for black people, because white people, they have calcified pineal glands, but black people, we do not have calcified pineal glands. So we black people, as we meditate, our kundalini energy will rise, and it will go to the pineal gland and push open the pineal gland. It will push open your third eye, and your third eye will produce melanin, and the rest of the kundalini energy will go up to the crown chakra, and you will become a powerful entity spiritually. You become a greater version of yourself. You will reach your higher self. You know what I mean? These are the higher chakras. These are the lower chakras. Now, I call myself root chakra I call myself red chakra, symbolizing the root chakra, because this is the foundation to spiritual growth. This is your foundation. You are like a tree, bro. You have to understand it. You are literally a tree, and you know how trees are. They're strong. They're like they go up straight. You know what I mean? They're strong. They're balanced. Trees don't just fall over another day. Well, if what is bad weather, but usually trees stay up, and they're strong and they're powerful. They're up straight. You know what I mean? And trees grow from their roots. They grow from the ground, and they go straight up, and they become big and powerful. Look at a tree. A tree is not just all messed up. It's straight. You know what I mean? And that's what you got to do when it comes to balancing out your chakras. You want to be balanced, you want to be straight, and you want to be steady, just like a tree. You grow like a tree will grow from its roots. You start from your roots, and you go up each chakra. And the root chakra, this is where you start. This is the beginning. If you build a house, if your foundation is not good, your whole house gonna come apart. So you need to balance out your root chakra, or everything else gonna fall apart. You know what I mean? You are just like a house. You are just like a tree. You grow just like a tree. So make sure you're balanced. So, well, for black people, bro, we are really powerful, bro. I want you to let you know. I want to tell you this: when you pray, you're giving your energy to another entity. But when you meditate, you are giving the energy to yourself. Like do a guided meditation, right? Just learn how to meditate. And once you get the hang of it, you can do affirmations. You can be like, I am a god, I am a king. Or if you're a woman, I am a goddess, I am a queen. It's because you saying them, because words hold energy. Words are magic spells. They hold energy. They're powerful. So when you say certain words out your mouth, it's going back to you and it's giving you energy. Now if you're saying, please God, I hope you do this for me, you're giving somebody else energy that you don't even know. But if you say, I am a God, I will do this, or something like that, or I am strong, you saying words, but you getting that energy to yourself. You're building yourself up. You give yourself energy, you know what I'm saying? That's why it's important to do affirmations. I'll make a video on it. But when you meditate, bro, you're giving yourself energy and you're uplifting yourself. Bro, I escaped depression. Bro, I beat depression. I beat anxiety. Bro, I destroyed my ego. Of course, my ego is still going to be here because it don't go, but I pushed my ego away, bro. I became a greater version of myself just by meditating, bro. Just sitting there and controlling my breath and breathing. That's all you gotta do to change your life, bro. Line up your chakras and open your third eye. You know what I mean? As black people, our pineal glands produce melanin, and melanin is a chemical that can uplift your inner spirit and uplift your being. You know what I mean? Look up melanin. Get in the sun. Let that sun hit you, and let that sun activate your melanin, bro. Your melanin, bro. This they don't teach us this shit in school because they don't want us black people to know our true power. I hope I make it make sense, but bro, meditation is a powerful technique where you can literally control your inner existence. Because we are not these bodies, bro. We are not these bodies. These bodies are vehicles, and we're gonna die one day. These bodies are temporary, but your soul lasts forever. You need to connect back to your soul. You need to start taking control of your soul. Stop letting dumbass people take control of your soul. Stop, stop giving up your soul to these demonic ass beverages like liquor and all that stuff. Stop giving your soul to that. Stop giving your soul to smoking and them weird products, bro. Just be a healthy version of yourself. Bro, hold up. Look at this right here. All healthy food, bro. I be eating healthy, bro. Got a great... I be eating healthy. I don't eat no bullshit no more. I take care of myself. Now, I'm not perfect. I don't eat meat, but sometimes I eat junk food, but I don't eat it a lot. I eat healthy stuff more than I eat unhealthy stuff, and I take care of my body. I work out, you know what I mean? But just take care of yourself, bro. Start taking care of your soul. When you meditate, you can control your own mind. Your mind creates your reality. Like if you tell yourself, I'm a strong person, say I'm beautiful. You can create a reality where you're beautiful. Like me, I remember I was telling myself, I am beautiful. Now I got people giving me compliments about my looks, or just giving me compliments about my character, or I'm beautiful physically, like I'm strong. Now I'm beautiful emotionally, like I'm good within my emotional self. I'm just beautiful in like every aspect of life, bro. It all starts here. And once you realize that your mind is powerful, you will become powerful, because nobody could take away your mind. Now, if you got I don't want to say it. I don't want to get taken off you too. But you know, it start with a V. If you went to the doctors and they gave you the VAT, you know what I mean? If they gave you that, bro, they take control of your mind. They got technology in there that infiltrates your mind, and it will mess up your mind, bro. If you got whatever, you need to get out in the sun and literally sunbathe in that sun all day. You need to sun gaze in that sun, stare at the sun, and you need to eat everything healthy. You need to, bro, you need to do ultimate detox if you got the whatever. I mean, ultimate detox. Ain't no letting up. It's about to be summer too. You better be out there every fucking day. I don't give, bro. I'm not getting it. Y'all can get it. That's on y'all. And I gotta watch everybody just. But let me stay on topic, bro. Meditate. Sit down put the phone down. Put the electricity down for a minute. And just sit there and just breathe, bro. Breathe. Sit there and breathe. Like just, and you'll just realize most of this shit on this planet I don't need. Like, it's good to have, like, bro, it's good to have a phone. It's good to have whatever, but you gonna realize it's something more than this. You know what I mean? If you don't meditate, bro, I can't rock with you. Like, I'm not trying to be mean or anything, but, bro, I cannot hang with people that just don't connect with their soul, because you only gonna drag me down. And this is no disrespect. You can be who you want to be, bro. You can worship Christianity. You can do what you want. I'm just saying, like, I'm just a whole new person, and I'm glad I became a whole new person. I remember I was depressed. I was so sad. Wanted to kill myself, bro. Like, I got a suicide letter over there that I wrote like last year, or like 2 years ago actually. Out outside. Like, bro, I used to want to die, bro. And I beat that. I beat depression, bro. You know what I've been through? I used to be so sad. I used to cut myself. I used to do all this. And who knew sitting there and just breathing changed my life. Just literally getting in this position changed my life. You know what I mean? This is very important to me because it changed my life. And you know what the crazy thing is? Bro, who knew that sitting there breathing could just change my life, bro? I used to be depressed and lost, but I found my way. And I'm proud of myself. I'm happy. I found my way, bro. So go in your room and meditate. Get in this position. Line up your spine. Make sure your spine is straight so your chakras can flow. Your energy or your kundalini energy can flow through each chakra. And control your breath. Start breathing. Control your breath and control your mind. Do a guided meditation if it's your first time. Look up guided meditation on YouTube and just change your life. I hope this video was really I hope you learned something in this video. I hope this video was very informative. Meditate, control your mind, become the best version of yourself. If you like this video, like, share, subscribe, show support to the channel. Thanks for watching.